Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. I think Solana deserves another update today, given that Solana is still pushing higher, forming higher highs and higher lows, and we even have a breakout above the yellow trend line that we talked about over the last few days. Solana, certainly one of the better performers in September. For those of you who follow us on X as well, you guys know I posted it yesterday that Solana is still, it continues to outperform Ethereum, for example. Yeah. So we're tracking here the Solana Ethereum chart. Yeah, this is the weekly chart, but it started to outperform already in July, August. Yeah. And for several weeks, it's now been printing higher. And so this is just further confirmation that Solana, possibly still has some good upside in this cycle, sort of, in the next few weeks, months, hopefully. At least the data is still supporting that, right? I mean, I've been tracking this Solana Ethereum support area for some time. We have an initial reaction. Is it already guaranteed we go up? No, nothing is ever guaranteed. But it's about understanding what the areas of interest are, where these corrections can complete. And Solana Ethereum has a pretty clear ABC structure to the downside, like a corrective pullback into this Fibonacci support area, and it turned around there. We'll see. It can still get another low, but things are starting to line up nicely in preparation for potentially a bullish wave 4, but a bullish Q4, quarter 4, fourth quarter. So Solana is pushing, obviously. We're moving higher, and the idea is still that this year could be part of this orange C wave. Yeah. If we continue like that, I'm going to remove the white scenario from the chart to even consider that the white scenario is playing out, which means a deeper pullback into support down here. First of all, I would need to shift this over here. It would be an A, B, C and everything. It's just a massive flat correction. But even to even consider that this is leading, I would need a break below one of these support levels here. So again, I repeated it over the last few days again and again that this is an ascending wedge pattern here that we're moving in. But a lot of people wrote me messages, even called me about this wedge, and the concern was we break down. I mean, we could still, this is a dangerous spot here. Like, fake outs are common, but as I said, until we actually break support, those are just concerns, yeah? Because it's just like people say, like, wedge patterns, they have to break in a certain direction. That's not the case. I mean, they often move in a certain direction, but first of all, not always. And you always want to align yourself with what the market is doing right now and not, stand in the way of a crypto rally, right? That's typically how you can get burned. You can get rolled over by momentum, especially if a third wave is coming up. So just zooming in here. The idea is still we could be moving up here. On the nano level, this move up could take us to $230 next. So the next levels are $227.38 and $230, and then the area around $235, $236 could provide next resistance. This is really just on the nano level, but overall, this move up could take us possibly closer to $250. Yeah. Again, I'm talking about the smaller time frame here, not the larger time frame, bigger picture. That could actually take us to 360, 380 up here over the coming months. But for now, we take it level by level, and we're cautious. And so far, all the support levels here in this range, they've held. Market is moving higher, and depending on what the market is doing over the coming sessions, I might even remove that white scenario with the deeper pullback option. But I'm not prepared to take it off the chart. We need a short-term bearish alternative anyway. So we need something on the chart, which could tell us what is the next support level should we break below upper support. But for now, pressure is up, and pay attention to $227 and $230 next. That's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you follow us also on X. Link is in the description and in the comment section. You get all sorts of additional updates, including also macro updates, news, and much more. Yeah, link is in the description and the comment section. And also continue to check out our membership if you're interested in further updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.